Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to host a website on Cloudflare for free. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to sign up and create a Pages project. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in, go to left side and click on Compute and AI in the Select Workers and Pages section in the dashboard. Cloudflare Pages is a powerful tool that enables developers to deploy websites directly without the need for extensive server management. Next, you'll want to click on plus button at the top if you already created an app, and then select Pages from this menu. Then you'll need to connect Cloudflare to your Git repository. Cloudflare makes it easy to link your account with popular platforms such as GitHub or GitLab. Ensure that your website's code or static files are hosted in a repository on one of these services. Once your repository is connected, you might need to provide build settings. For many projects, especially those that use specific build tools or frameworks, defining build commands is essential. Now it's time to deploy your site. Simply click Save and Deploy, and it will start to deploying your website. One of the standout features of Cloudflare Pages is its ability to automatically build and deploy your site whenever new commits are pushed to the repository. With these steps, you now have a live website hosted on Cloudflare, ready for visitors from around the world. And that's it. So that's basically how you can host a website on Cloudflare for free. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.